The kitchen is the heart of the home, where delicious meals come to life, and family memories are made. However, it can also be one of the most dangerous places, if proper safety practices are not followed. From sharp knives and hot surfaces, to electrical appliances and cross-contamination risks, there are numerous hazards that can lead to accidents or health issues. As such, knowing essential kitchen safety rules can help prevent mishaps, protect loved ones, and ensure a safe and enjoyable cooking environment. And so, in this video, 10 kitchen safety rules. Yes, cooking can be a fun and rewarding experience, but safety should always come first. And so, in this video, we have compiled 10 essential kitchen safety rules to keep in mind to ensure a safe cooking environment. And without further ado, let's dive into these top kitchen safety guidelines you need to follow to stay safe while cooking. 1. Keep your kitchen clean and organized. Bear in mind that a tidy kitchen reduces the risk of accidents. So, clear countertops of clutter, keep utensils organized, and regularly clean spills to prevent slips and falls. Yes, an organized space also makes it easier to find tools and ingredients when you need them. 2. Use sharp knives safely. Yes, sharp knives are essential for efficient cooking. However, they can also be dangerous if misused. To be safe, always cut away from your body, use a stable cutting board, and keep knives sharp. You see, dull knives require more force, increasing the risk of slipping and injury. 3. Wash your hands frequently. Besides thoroughly washing certain foods, hand hygiene is also crucial in preventing foodborne illnesses. So, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water before and after handling food, especially raw meat, poultry, and eggs. This practice minimizes cross-contamination and keeps food safe. 4. Avoid cross-contamination. Always use separate cutting boards and utensils for raw and cooked foods to avoid cross-contamination. In this case, color-coded boards can help you remember which is which. This practice is essential for food safety and prevents the spread of harmful bacteria. 5. Keep flammable items away from heat sources. Yes, kitchen fires can be devastating. As such, always keep flammable materials, like dish towels, paper towels, and cooking oils, away from the stovetop and oven. Also ensure that all heat sources are free of clutter to reduce the risk of accidental fires. Enjoying the video? Alright, let's continue with these kitchen safety rules, and keep watching. 6. Store food properly. Keep in mind that proper food storage helps prevent spoilage and contamination. And so, refrigerate perishable items promptly, label and date leftovers, and maintain appropriate temperatures in your fridge, mostly below 40 degrees Fahrenheit, or 4 degrees Celsius, and freezer, around 0 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 18 degrees Celsius. 7. Be cautious with hot surfaces and liquids. Yes, hot surfaces and liquids can cause severe burns. For your safety, always use oven mitts when handling hot pots and pans, and be mindful of steam when opening lids. It is also good practice to let food cool slightly before serving, to avoid accidental burns. 8. Use electrical appliances safely. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when using kitchen appliances. Also keep cords away from hot surfaces and avoid using appliances with frayed cords. Furthermore, always unplug appliances when not in use, especially blenders, microwaves, and food processors. 9. Keep children and pets out of the kitchen. Yes, children and pets can be a distraction and increase the risk of accidents. Make sure to establish a safe cooking zone and teach children about kitchen safety. You can also use baby gates or other barriers to keep pets out while cooking. 10. Know what to do in an emergency. Yes, always be prepared for kitchen emergencies. And so, it is important to know the location of fire extinguishers and how to use them. In case of burns, cuts, or other injuries, always have a first aid kit readily available and know basic first aid procedures. And there you are, 10 kitchen safety rules. If you have any other kitchen safety tips, let us know them in the comments section below. To wrap up, remember that following these kitchen safety rules can help prevent accidents and create a safer cooking environment. And in this case, whether you are a seasoned chef or a beginner, these rules are fundamental to keeping your kitchen secure and creating a safe space for yourself and everyone around you. And so, adopt these rules to ensure a positive and secure kitchen experience. And since sharing is caring, make sure to share these tips with your family and friends to promote safe cooking practices. And if you have found value in this video, show your support by subscribing to our channel to get notified whenever we upload a new informative and educational video on this channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck.